Hello there, lovely crafters, and how are you today? It's Terry from Vegs Tez Creates. Thanks for stopping by the Robin's Nest Creative YouTube channel today. I will be walking you through how to make this gorgeous Christmas tree topper. So I just picked this up, I think it was from an online shop when they were having a sale. But you can get them in lots of shops and they're very inexpensive, maybe just £1 or £2 or dollars. But they're the perfect kind of thing to upcycle with your dewdrops. So we're just going to launch straight in. I am going to put some music on and speed up the video so you can watch this beautiful creation transform from a plain but still pretty glittery snowflake star into this blingtastic glory that you see before you. So let's dive in, shall we? Look at this pretty star, guys. It's packed with glitter. It pops on top of the tree. It's really sparkly and fun. But what about if we add some dewdrops? And here we go, my crafty friends, the completed article. Now, I mean, it was pretty as it was, but just look at this. How awesome is this? And it's different on both sides. I used the same colour palette, all the same dewdrops are out, but I just made them slightly different. So this one's got more dewdrops on. I don't think you could actually squeeze any more on, to be honest, and this one's got a bit more space, so you could just turn it round. You've kind of got like two ornaments in one, really. You could have that one facing you one day and the other one facing you the other day, but a completely unique Christmas topper, because nobody else is going to have one the same as you. Or what a lovely Christmas gift for someone. Maybe you're doing a Secret Santa. You can pick these up just like from the pound shop or something like that. They're really inexpensive, and then just make it your own by adding the dewdrops. Which side do you like better, the one with less or the one with more bling? Let me know in the comments section below. I'd love to know. And so yeah, that's all from me today. And I will link in the description box below the link to all the Robin's Nest social media platforms, and of course the store where you can go browsing for your beautiful dewdrops. And I'll see you again soon with some more crafty goodness. Bye for now.